Hello, I am Isaías Almeida, I am 25 years old, I live here in Laredo, Ecuador. So welcome to this short video about how the brain handles language. Now, this is a colorful model of the brain. Each color represents a different lobe and each lobe has a special job. Today we are going to take a look at how different parts of our brain work together to help us understand and use language. Okay, the human brain is divided into two hemispheres, each with specialized functions, a concept known as lateralization. The left hemisphere is generally dominant for language processing, handling logic, sequential thinking, and speech. Now, the right hemisphere excels at non-verbal tasks like spatial awareness, recognizing faces, and processing emotions. However, language is a complex process that involves the whole brain. The hemispheres work together to create a complete picture. For example, the right hemisphere helps us understand the emotional tone and context of our conversations. Firstly, the red part here is the frontal lobe, the brain's control center for thinking, planning, and making decisions. It's really important and vital for language because it helps you plan sentences, choose the right grammar and words, and even self-correct when you are speaking. Also, it helps you plan the sentence, choose the right grammar and vocabulary, and even self-correct mistakes as you go. Also, we have the green temporal lobe with green color, which is all about processing what you hear. Moreover, it helps you understand the sounds of words and process the meaning of the spoken language. In addition, it helps you understand the meaning of the language you are learning. It processes information from your senses, like touch and taste, and helps you understand your position in space. It helps you connect what you are seeing and hearing to what you are saying. In addition, this yellow lobe is the parietal lobe. In few words, it helps us interpret sensory information like the feeling of a book's pages or the temperature of your coffee. What is more, the blue occipital lobe is our visual processing center. When you read, this lobe helps you recognize words on a page. This area is dedicated to processing visual information, allowing you to read words on a page and understand visual clues in conversation. Otherwise, we have the cerebellum here in purple. While we often think of it for balance, it's also critical for the rhythm and timing of speech. It helps coordinate the complex muscle movements needed for fluent speaking and pronunciation. And finally, there is the brainstem with orange color, which is the base of the brain and also controls our most basic involuntary functions. Also, it processes like breathing, heart rate, and sleep that are necessary for our brain to function properly. Within the left hemisphere are critical language centers. Broca's area, located in the frontal lobe, is essential for speech production. Wernicke's area in the temporal lobe is crucial for understanding language, both written and spoken. These two areas of language are connected by a pathway called the articulate fasciculus, which helps them work together. Let's look at the neuropsychological basis of language. If you need to respond, Wernicke's area sends misunderstood meaning to Broca's area. Broca's area then coordinates the motor signals sent to the muscles of your mouth, tongue, and vocal cords to form the words. Now, let's apply this. Imagine someone asks you, what is your favorite color? First, Wernicke's area processes the sound and understands the question. Then your brain formulates the answer, blue. Wernicke's area sends the concept blue to Broca's area. Broca's area sends the motor commands and your mouth produces the sound. So as you can see, language involves a network of these lobes working together to help us communicate. The frontal lobe plans and organizes. The temporal lobe processes sound memory. The parietal lobe integrates sensory information, and the occipital lobe handles vision and putting it all together, in your cerebral cortex. Your brain is constantly working to help you communicate. That is all for now. Thanks for watching and your time and patience.